Today's a great day to be healthy, and especially because I just got my Meology personalized nutrition program in, and I want to show you what it is. Very excited about it. This is the box. Obviously it comes in, and I'm going to take it out of here. Yes. Right. Okay. Let's do it that way. There we go. And here, I did the Meology test, and I'm going to put a link of where you can take your Meology test.
Take the assessment. You'll see there's no other person like you and no other program like Meology.
But in this box, this is personalized nutrition just for me. The assessment is simple yet thorough, definitely designed by many different scientists, etc. And in this packets, the individual packets, the booklet that comes with it tells me exactly what I've received and why it was recommended for me to use. So I've got in here, I've got the multivitamin for mature people, people over 50, and I've got the omegas that really helps for more beautiful skin and better brain function and help the blood just be really slick so it flows nicely. It also, I've seen my HDL levels are just amazing by taking that Nutriferon, especially in these pandemic times. We do need something, and well, also all the time actually, to boost our immune system, and the Nutriferon is there for that. Carotamax for eye health, and I started taking Carotamax a couple of months ago, and I have seen an improvement in my eyes, my eyesight. Then Osteomatrix for healthy bones, and sustained release vitamin C. Vitamin C is really important for our immune system also. Plus Optiflora DI. And that is very important for digestive health. By the way, 70% of the quality of your immune system is due to the health of your gut. So you want to have really healthy microflora there, so you have a healthy gut, so you have a healthy immune system. And vitamin D. Vitamin D is very important for our immune system also. So evidently I've got a lot of immune boosting supplements in this packet. So in here, you will see it has my name on it. And as you pull it out, it's got the individual supplements in there for me for the day. And I happen to have my Essentials plan has 2 packets set up for me of the supplements that are what my assessment noted that I needed, and I selected. So I selected the Essentials plan. I will probably upgrade the Essentials Plus plan next time for more health benefits, obviously. And I'd love for you to take the assessment and see where you come out. And wouldn't it be nice not to have to open and close all those bottles? And to be super healthy, prevent age-related degenerative diseases, etc., etc. As a healthcare professional, I can say this is an amazing program, and you got to try it. Besides the fact that it's money back guaranteed. And if you've never tried the Prove It Challenge, take the Meology Prove It Challenge assessment and see how it comes out.